Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hital Dadia. We have with us Riya Singh, technical analyst, currencies, joining in. Riya, welcome to the show. My first question coming to you over here is the rupee is still holding a steady gain right now. Are you expecting that to continue?
Yes, because if we are looking at the dollar index, it has moved below 90 degree, 90 levels. So this is indicating a weakness into the dollar index, which is playing fair into the quote of Indian rupee. And plus, there have been a steady inflows of FII, so thus adding on to the precious foreign exchange inflows. And overall, the vaccination drive has been pretty good. There has been a decline into the COVID-19, infection numbers. So this week, this week looks pretty good for the Indian rupee, and I think in the June contract, if it reaches the major support of 70 to 77, it will again go on to test the lows of 70 to 50, 70 to 45 in the coming week.
Right, so that's with regards to where the rupee goes. The dollar continues to be under pressure. In fact, it's breached levels of 90 as well. What are the next levels we should be watching out for?
The next levels that one can look out for on the dollar index is, definitely around 89, 89, 90, 89, 70. These are the major support for the dollar index on the technical basis. And if the shift of the investors continue to go from the US, from the greenback towards the riskier asset, it will continue with the the weakness stand on the dollar. And furthermore, to add on to the weakness, the major dovish stands of the Fed and the transient bout of higher inflations will remain weighing onto the dollar index. So you can, if it again opens on a weaker note below 89.98, 89.80, 89.70 will be the next levels that will go on to test. So the bearish sentiment remains into the dollar index.
Right. And Riya, with regards to the pound as well, from the earlier highs, now it started to witness a fallback. What's the reason and what
Uh,
levels we should be tracking?
yes, so I think if you look into the pound, I think it is witnessing the behavior May fever, because even if you look at the historical behavior of the pound into the May, it goes on for a bearish stand. And to further add on to the fundamental perspective, I think there is not much of going on the for the pound, because we have already talked about so much, with respect to the good vaccination drive, the strong rebound into the economy. But we need numbers to support that sentiment. And there is a lack of data from the UK to support that there is a stronger, stronger rebound that is happening into the economy. And furthermore, the blueprint that the UK Prime Minister has released is still, still waiting to come into effect. So that is again not playing much for the pound. So you can rather say that whatever the positive events that was there for the UK and the pound altogether has been already factored in. So that is why we are seeing such a pullback into the pound momentum against the dollar.
Okay. So, what are the strategies that you would recommend?
The strategies that you can go forward with is going short into the USDINR. Look for a breach of 70 to 88 for a target of 70 to 75, 70 to 58. Keep a strict SL at 73.11. There is a note of caution. There is a bond sale that will happen tomorrow with respect to the government borrowings. So be vigilant while trading into the USD INR in the tomorrow session. You can also go short into the JPY INR below 66.77 for a target of 66.50, 66.35 with a stop loss at 68.98. GPBINR could again go for a bearish momentum if it reaches the support of 102.83. So if it does so, you can go for a short into the pound INR for a target of 102.40, 102.20. Keep a very strict SL at 103.16.
Right. So these are the strategies that we should be following as well. Thank you, Riya. Thank you, participants, for joining in.
Thank you, Yuri.